top of the Flamte.
Okay.
And from the public health department.
Okay. If you
every year, for medical certificate.
Chorkor tea garden.
Tea garden station.
Okay.
My name is Simon Akomedi,
Okay.
a public health officer of the Assembly, Accra Metropolitan Assembly, precisely at the Ablekuma South Sub-Metro.
Okay.
We are conducting medical health screening for food vendors or those that handle food for public consumption.
Okay.
There is a need for them to be medically screened to see either any of them are suffering from any of the communicable diseases like typhoid that we are looking for.
Okay.
Then we will advise accordingly. So there is a lab man or a doctor that will take blood sample, screen it, and come out with the results. Bring the result to the assembly. Upon the results, then we'll satisfy the person, either the person fit or not fit to handle food for public consumption. But by then, when the person is not fit to handle food for public consumption, what we do is that we advise the person and then refer or ask the person to go to hospital for further investigation in relation to whatever results that we have. So basically, we are at Chorkor now and its environs since Tuesday to today, Friday, screening food vendors. After screening them, satisfying those that are fit and those that are not fit, giving them recommendations on what to do. Those that are not able to come for the medical screening, the AMA or the assembly bylaw will take its own course. It means there will be an enforcement in relation to those who handle food for public consumption.
So how did you get the people coming to register?
Very well. It's a norm.
Okay.
It's yearly thing that we do.
Okay.
But what we do is when the time is due, or September like this, we go around to announce to the people in the community that it is due for them to register for the process to commence.
Okay.
But before then, those that realize that their medical cards have expired, they rush to the office for it to be done. But what we are doing now is what we call mass medical screening for food vendors.
And is the process free? Is there something to pay or?
Yeah, there's a cost to it.
Okay.
Everything you do, there's a cost to it. You have to pay an amount in relation to the screening, and it is 80 Ghana cedis per head. That is the cost.
Okay. So what are the procedure when someone comes to register or to do the lab?
Very well. The procedure involved is the person must come and then give out the name. After the name, we must also know your age.
Okay.
We must also know your location.
Okay.
We must also know your phone number in case we want to reach out to you. Then your GPS code or your house address. Then those that have never done it before, you come out with 2 passport size pictures.
Oh, okay. Wow. And how far with the attendance? So far?
I will not give it in percentage wise.
Okay.
But I will say that some have complied so far, but we want to see by the end before giving out a verdict to it. But they are coming.
In case those who couldn't make it, is there something the assembly will do or?
I said that earlier on, that those that are not able to come for the medical screening, the assembly will enforce its bylaw on them. So the law will take its own course.
So from here, what next? Is there another place or until next year?
No. This is Chorkor
Okay.
and its environs.
Okay.
For Tuesday, or from Tuesday to today, Friday. Then by Wednesday, their results will be out.
Okay.
So they will be taking their cards from Wednesday to Thursday. So we'll give them from Wednesday to Thursday. We'll give out those that have qualified or passed the test. We'll give out their cards to them.
Do they come here to pick the cards, or
They will
come
come
to the
same
office?
place
Same place.
to pick their cards.
Okay.
From this place, Tuesday, there will be an exercise at Mamprobi. That is same exercise that will be going on at Mamprobi. So basically, that is it. So from Tuesday to Friday next week, God willing, we'll be at Mamprobi Methodist Church.
Thank
And
you.
then St. P.
All right. Thank you for speaking to us.
Very well. Thank you as well.
We are grateful.